Hello, good morning, dear friends. Today I am going to discuss about new topic phobia or fear in homeopathy. What is phobia or fear? Each and every individual in own life suffers from many type of fear. This is may be organic or psychological or due to any cause. So these symptoms help us in selection of simillimum. How it helps we see. A phobia is a type of anxiety disorders defined by a persistent and excessive fear of an object or situation. A phobia is a type of anxiety disorders. A phobia is a type of anxiety disorder defined by a persistent and excessive fear of an object or situation. Phobias typically result in a rapid onset of fear and are present for more than 6 months. Treatment: exposure therapy, counseling, medication. Symptoms: fear of an object or situation. Medication or medicine is antidepressant, benzodiazepines, beta blocker, etc. in allopathy. Types: specific phobia, social phobia, agoraphobia. Causes of phobia unknown, in some cases genetic effects. Duration more than 6 months. Specialty: psychiatry, clinical psychology, etc. So this is introduction or summary about phobia. Common list of phobia or common phobias which prevail: acrophobia, fear of height; aerophobia, fear of flying; arachnophobia, fear of a spider; astraphobia, fear of thunder and lightning; autophobia, fear of being alone; claustrophobia, fear of confined or crowded spaces; hemophobia, fear of blood; hydrophobia, fear of water. The sum of all fears related with some medicines for phobias: aconite, argentum nitricum, arsenic, aurum, belladonna, borax, calcarea carb, calcarea phos, carbsulf, carcinosin, digitalis, graphitis, ignacia, kaliars, lyco, lysine, natrum carb, opium, phosphorus, platina, sorinum, sepia, stramonium, zincum phosphoricum. These are the some medicine which is used in phobia, but may be other also medicines is used in phobia according to conditions. So phobias, different type of phobias: fear of darkness, fear of height, fear of flying, fear of pain, fear of chickens, fear of public place or crowd, fear of needles or pointed objects, fear of riding in a car, fear of men, fear of aging or choking, angina or choking, fear of flowers, fear of people or society, fear of being touched, fear of spiders, fear of numbers, fear of thunder and lightning, fear of disorder or untidiness, fear of imperfection, fear of failure, fear of being alone, fear of bacteria, fear of gravity, fear of stairs or steep slopes, fear of amphibians, fear of pin or needles, fear of books, fear of plants, fear of ugliness, fear of being ridiculed, fear of mirror, fear of snow, fear of colors, fear of clocks, fear of confined spaces, fear of clowns, fear of computers, fear of dogs, fear of trees, fear of dentists, fear of houses, fear of accidents, fear of the home, fear of cats, fear of insects, fear of teenagers, fear of horses, fears of marriage, fear of knees, fear of speaking in public, fear of women, fear of the sun, fear of blood, fear of reptiles, fear of water, fear of illness, fear of doctors, fears of insects, fear of rooms full of people, fear of the color white, fear of tornadoes and hurricanes, fear of childbirth, fear of cooking, fear of large thing, fear of the color black or black color, fear of small things, fear of dirt and germs, fear of death or dead things, fear of the night, fear of hospitals, fear of the dark, fear of gaining weight, fear of the figure 8, fear of rain, fear of snakes, fear of birds, fear of paper, fear of disease, fear of children, fear of love, fear of phobias, fear of feet, fear of beards, fear of the color purple or purple color, fear of ferns, fear of flying, fear of fire, fear of Halloween, fear of school, fear of the moon, fear of social evaluation, fear of sleep, fear of speed, fear of technology, fear of thunder, fear of needles or injections, fear of beautiful women, fear of germs, fear of witches and witchcraft, fear of stranger or foreigners, fear of animal. So, this is a list of different types of fear which happened in our society or any individual. Let us study few rubric and homeopathic remedies on fear and its corresponding phobias in homeopathic repertory. Fear of dark, nyctophobia, medicines, cannabis indica, fear that he should become insane, fear of darkness, of approaching death. Stramonium, fear causes hallucinations, especially in the dark where one is surrounded by black insects or by a small dark colored animal, fear of dog, cynophobia. China, anxiety in morning on walking, excessively anxious about trifles, oversensitive to noise, fearful and apprehensive, fear of dogs and other animals at night, fear of crowd, agoraphobia, aconite, fear of death, of crowds, of going out, anything, always fearful, fear of hospitals, nosocomophobia, nosocomophobia or fears of hospitals, fears of pregnancy or childbirth, tocophobia, lilium tick, fears being alone, of insanity, of heart disease, fear she is incurable, some impending calamity or disease. Spongia, terror and fear of approaching death that she will die of suffocation, with heart disease, with whooping cough, with the heart, with the sweat. Fear of death or dead things, necrophobia, fear of dreams, onirophobia, nux vomica, fear of sleeping, frightful dreams, irritable horror and hypochondriasis, lilium tick, depression of spirit and inclination to weep with apprehension, of suffering from some terrible internal disease. Syphilinum, terrible dread of night, not on account of cough so much as on account of mental and physical exhaustion when she awakes. It is intolerable, death is preferable. She fears to prepare for night and is positively in abject fear or fear of suffering. Fear of snake, ophidiophobia, fear of suffering and disease, panthophobia. Lac caninum, fear and anxiety that some horrible disease has come up her, a delusion that she was surprising and a loathsome state infested with snakes. So, in this way, we see definition, different types of phobia, its different medicine which have indication of different phobia, and in this way it helps us in selection of a simillimum or in our daily practice, especially those cases where rich of the or full of the mental symptoms. Thank you for watching.